Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model, OS version, and carrier restrictions. This ensures commands you use work. Once backed up, open Settings and go straight to Mobile Network or Cellular. Tap access point names to export or note existing APN/MMSC values so you can restore if needed. Next, enter the new server details, hostname or IP, port and protocol, and any username/password. Make sure to save a screenshot and a text copy. It speeds troubleshooting later. Now you perform the detailed configuration. Switch the SIM to manual network selection and disable carrier-provided automatic APN updates so your changes persist. Open the APN entry and replace values with the new server IP or hostname. Add the port and select the protocol, IP4, IP6, or dual stack, according to server specs. Populate authentication type and username/password exactly as provided. Once done, ensure APN types include default and MMS when relevant, and save the entry before exiting to force the profile to register. Finish by restarting the cellular radio or rebooting the device to force the network to pick up the new APN. After reboot, verify registration status and data indicator, then run practical tests. Browse a website, send an MMS, and tether to confirm internet sharing. If something goes wrong, recheck server IP, ports, authentication type, and APN types. Also confirm the carrier isn't enforcing locked settings or OTA updates. If issues persist, capture diagnostic logs and contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.